Hi everyone! The technicians at this appliance repair shop, which is well known for their expertise, shared these tips with us. So pay close attention because we're going to fix that issue. When a dishwasher stops working after using regular dish soap, don't worry. It's more common than it seems and usually doesn't require expensive repairs. At the shop, we've seen several customers with this problem and checked their experiences to understand what's happening. Many customers say the dishwasher fills with excessive suds, won't start, or can't complete a cycle. That foam gives us an important clue. We first remove the suds and check the water level sensors and float switch. Too much foam can interfere with their operation and make the dishwasher think there's a water level problem. In many cases, cleaning the sensors and ensuring the float moves freely is enough. Next, we inspect the pump, electrical connections, and drainage system. Foam or moisture can affect the motor, while soap residue can clog the filter or drain. Unplugging the machine, cleaning everything thoroughly, and allowing it to dry can often restore normal operation. Finally, if the problem continues, we check the control board. A reset may be enough, while electronic replacement is rarely necessary. Before considering costly repairs, it's best to remove the foam, clean the filters and sensors, and reset the dishwasher.